Cooking classes are a popular tourist activity in Southeast Asia, and a glimpse of Mandalay is one of the best. But it's much more than just cooking. A glimpse of Mandalay really does give you an insight into everyday life in the region. Our glimpse began at Zaicho Market, where our guide, Mr. Aung, and Phil poked and prodded various vegetables to fill the woven baskets. Next stop was Arkam Min Cafe for green tea, Burmese coffee, roti with jaggery syrup, and a plate of noodles, a substantial morning tea. The cooking class was at Zichokon village. Chef Thenda had already prepared the kitchen when we arrived. We chopped, pounded and stirred our way through chicken curry, chet tha chet, string bean salad, peldi tot, green tea salad, la pet tot, a soup and a dessert of floating rice balls, mutlon ye bo. We ate dessert as soon as it was ready, but everything else waited. Thenda and assistant Nay also made delicious vegetable tempura, while Aung produced a mushroom salad. It looks lovely, doesn't it? And it tasted wonderful. After a rest of an hour or so, we mounted our bicycles, donned coolie hats and set off for a close-up tour of the area. We saw a typical Burmese village and people going about their daily lives. The fields were bright green. There were distant mountains, and along the river men and women were making use of resources by fishing. It was beautiful, and the cycling was easy. After the ride, we drove in the tuk-tuk to Yankin Hill and Nga Yant Min Cave. Steep steps lead down into it, with another set of steps leading up on the other side. Water dripped onto the steps all the way. Yankin Hill is east of Mandalay across a wide green valley. A good place to see the sunset without the crowds at Mandalay Hill, but it was cloudy when we were there, no sunset. Nice view though.